Hey, hi all, my name is Ashish Khare and again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I came up one new book summary. The name is Crushing It: How the Great Entrepreneurs Build Their Businesses and Influences and How You Can Too, by a Gary Vaynerchuk, and he has described very well and very in detailed manner, right? So if you are using the social sites, so how you can turn yourself to in superstar as well. So this is very good book which I have read. So you know everyone wanted to get some achieve something in their life or may name or fame. So if you are using the social sites, this is especially for you, and you can read it once you have time. So let's get started, right? So uh, the main thing is personal branding, right? Personal branding and how the businessmen or great successful people are doing. They are, they are doing the personal branding, and you should speak. You should speak the truth to yourself. If you have some, if you have some good content, and if you want to, promote how there are some strategy for that. And if you are promoting the personal branding, so what is the main strategy, and there are some 7 crucial factors are there which if you apply, then you will be getting the more result, right? And if how to personal branding, how you can do that. So if you have great intent and great intent, authentic, and very passionate about the branding. If you have patience, you have more hard worker, attention towards success, right? So you can, this is the strategy towards success. So yes, and the main essential thing is content. See, the content is very important, and this content is this content is very important for the thing, right? And if you are doing the right content in right platform, right, so you will get more attention and more people viewer, right? And there are multiple platforms over the nowadays where you can publish your content, so that you will get some more views, more audience over there. And if it is good and it is impacting, right, so you will get promoted as well. So most of the people are doing the same. They are promoting themselves, right, in front of in the social platforms as so there are some strategy which you can follow in your personal branding. The personal branding is nothing but whatever you thought to your, said truth to yourself. Like you want to, what you want to get something, get you have proper content, and if you want to promote the thing, so you can follow some strategies so that it will be easy, right? And you will get more audience. So use the relevant hashtags, right? There are multiple hashtags which you can apply in your content. And if you are publishing over the platform, so you can use this one, use technique strategy, it will be good. So the look for the collaboration and partners, right? That means what, if you are doing something, you will get some partners reviews or something. So this will help you a lot to improve your content. Suppose you posted something, right? Publish some content in the platform, right? In the social platforms. Suppose someone has given some comment to you, whether it is negative or positive. If it is positive, you will think like, yeah, I'm doing some good things. And if it is negative, then you will think about why negative, and you will improve in the next time, right? So this will help you a lot. So follow this strategy, you will it will be good, right? There are multiple platforms in nowadays, so that you can publish your content in the these platforms. you can use the you can use the Facebook page. Facebook page, you can create the Facebook business page, fan page, whether you will get more viewers, audience, because nowadays, the older age people also using Facebook, and the newer age, younger age people also using the Facebook, so that you will get more reviews and audience there, and you will get get promoted, right? So that is important. And you have YouTube. You can publish your content over the YouTube. You will get more views over there also, and you will get promoted. Twitter is there. You can use the Twitter. You can use the Instagram. Initially, what was happening, the Instagram, the people were using to see the only beautiful pics, but nowadays the Instagram came up with the story kind of thing, where you can post the video directly in the stories. You can post the videos as well, right? IGTV is there, so that it is it is very good. Facebook is there, Instagram is there, yeah, Snapchat is there. You can use the Snapchat for promoting your content, and podcast is there, and nowadays this voice related things like Google Mini, Google Home Mini, and Alexa kind of things are there. So these all are the platforms where you can you can use it, and you can publish your content, and you will get promoted as well. So these are the things, and yes, the path is all yours, right? If you are doing these things, and you will get promoted, and you will building you will build your personal brand, and at last, if you are serious about something, right, and if you are doing good things, definitely you will get good fame, name as well. So this was from my side, and whatever I read from this book. So again, if you like it, please like and subscribe the channel, and give some valuable comments over there. Thanks much.